Once upon a time, a little girl used to laze about the lake, used to swim in it at dawn, with all her closest girlfriends, not a stitch of clothing on. They imagined when alone how they might change when they were grown. Yet when the stars would fill the glen, she wished to stay as she was then. Once upon a time, that girl was used to dream about romance, used to dance the evening through. She'd laugh and toss her hair back like the movie stars would do. In school, though, she would die each time the boys would catch her eye. The ones who smoked, who played guitars, who pledged their loves beneath the stars. Once upon a time, that girl was me. And everything I am is because of who she was. And though it may not seem to be, she's with me still. The girl who'd see the boys and run, swimming circles in the sun. That little girl, I close my eyes and there she is, beneath the wrinkles and the scars. I'm still that little girl, wishing blind